Have you ever felt stuck between where you are and where you know you're supposed to be? Like, there's something more, but you just can't seem to reach it. You've prayed, you've fasted, you've waited and waited, but now the waiting season is over. It's time to move. It's time to believe again, to obey again, to win again. It's time to possess your promise. Just like Joseph, you can come out of your pit. Like David, you can kill your giant. Just remember, God never starts big. He starts faithful, and faithfulness always leads to fruitfulness. Just ask Joseph, David, or Abraham. In his new book, 7 Secrets to Possessing Your Promise, The Power of a Made-Up Mind, Dr. Melvin Futrell walks you through the mindset shifts, principles, and spiritual truths that took him and countless of others from stuck to soaring. These aren't just ideas. They're the same truths that turn famine into favor, pain into power, vision into victory. Your promise is waiting, but you must decide. Are you ready to go? Get it? Well, it's time to take the brakes off and accelerate. Purchase the book, study guide, and 5-video masterclass today. $141 value for only $40.18. Includes shipping. This is more than a book. It's your launch pad to purpose, clarity, and unstoppable faith. This is your moment. This is your move. Let's go.